Chart4C, history proves the Bible's true. Here's the Red Sea, where Moses parted the Red Sea, raised the rod in the air. They walked through, came out on the other side, and then the Egyptians tried to follow them. And Ron Wyatt found the remains of these chariots in the bottom of the Red Sea. Right there it is, buried in the Red Sea are the chariots. History. Ron Wyatt, 1987, he found chariot wheels down here. Here's what one of the chariots would look like before it went under the Red Sea, showing the ancient chariot. So this proved that the Red Sea in the Bible story was true. Isaiah 7:14. Therefore the Lord himself shall give you a sign. There's always a sign. Behold, a virgin shall conceive and bear a son, and shall call his name Emmanuel. And the I am, Emmanuel, is Hebrew for Isaiah 9:6. For unto us a child is born, unto us a son is given, and the government shall be upon his shoulder, and his name shall be called Wonderful, Counselor, the Mighty God. His name shall be called God, the Everlasting Father, and the Prince of Peace. Only one name, not three. So in Matthew 1, verses 23 through 25, history was fulfilled, and the Greek is Emmanuel. The Hebrew is Immanuel. Same word. Behold, a virgin shall be with child, and shall bring forth a son, and they shall call his name Emmanuel, which being interpreted is God with us. So here was the son of the virgin, prophesied in Isaiah 7:14, that she was going to have a son and call his name Emmanuel. This is the Greek, which being interpreted, God is with us. So the baby was God in the flesh, and he knew her not, this was Joseph, till she had brought forth her firstborn son, and he called his name Jesus. Joseph named the baby Jesus. The name of God is Jesus. Matthew 5:17. Think not that I am come to destroy the law or the prophets. I am not come to destroy, but to fulfill. And that was Jesus speaking. All the scriptures and lexicon are found on the esword.net website, which you can download for free. Go to Google search Minister Gail Apostolic Teacher on YouTube to find more classes showing how to use several online resources for the Strong's Concordance. Learn Biblical Hebrew, alphabet, and root words, and classes on salvation for any denomination, beginners, students, pastors, preachers, priests, and ministers, which can be used at home or in any religious setting on your phone, tablet PC, or large screen TV, translated by closed caption into your own language. You can order all these charts and lessons from this class at the PentecostalPublishingHouse.com website. They also have pre-printed lessons, quizzes, and certificates you can hand out to the classroom for your students. Thank you for coming to this class. Please click and subscribe to see more classes on my Search for Truth 2 Bible study by the Pentecostal Publishing House, Minister Gail, of the original Judeo-Christian one God teaching in the Bible.